Welcome, my fellow techies. My name is Sylvester Ezio. We'll be looking at Full-Stack JavaScript Developer. Either you are a full-time JavaScript developer or you are a part-time JavaScript developer. You need the right skill to become a full-time JavaScript developer. So in this video, we'll be looking at the right skills you need to have in order to become a full-time JavaScript developer. For efficiency in JavaScript, before you start your journey in becoming a full-stack JavaScript developer, you have to have a good understanding of JavaScript, starting with variables, data types, functions, callbacks. These are necessary skills you need to have in JavaScript in order for you to start your journey. Also, don't forget about promises and also the newer async and await promises. So with this, understanding this basic stuff in JavaScript will give you that edge in order for you to start your journey in becoming a full-stack JavaScript developer. Wait, I enjoyed this video. If actually you enjoyed this video, can you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, also click on the follow button. Front-end technology. Front-end technology is another skill you need to have as a full-stack JavaScript developer, in the sense that you are supposed to understand structuring of web pages layout, and building of responsive design. So you need to know HTML, CSS, and also you need to have front-end technologies below your bed. Things like React.js, Vue.js, Next.js. These are necessary for you to become a full-stack JavaScript developer. Backend development. Backend development is another skill you need to have as a full-time JavaScript developer. In backend development, you also understand Node.js, Express.js, and also understand database management. So with this, you are able to call yourself a full-stack JavaScript developer. Version control. As a full-stack JavaScript developer, you also understand collaborative tools such as GitHub. You use this to work with your fellow teammates when working on a project. API, fully known as Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface is used to connect front-end and back-end together. So as a full-time JavaScript developer, you also understand what the Application Programming Interface is and what its use is and how to apply it. DevOps application. As a full-time JavaScript developer, you also understand how DevOps operations work. Understanding tools like Azure, AWS, and also Heroku will help you as a DevOps engineer. It will help you as a full-time JavaScript developer. And also, you have to understand things like Docker and CI/CDs. So as a full-time JavaScript developer, make sure you understand the DevOps operations so you'll be able to successfully deploy your application online when you're done building your application. Solving and debugging. As a full-time JavaScript developer, you should understand the process of debugging and solving problems. And you just understand how to solve problems very fast so that you'll not be applying waiting in the process of solving problems. As a full-time JavaScript developer, those skills I just mentioned are essential for you to have in order for you to excel. Thank you for watching my video. If you really love this video and you love what I just done in the video, kindly like my video, subscribe my video, also share to your friends. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.